Hey everyone! Did you know that with the right strategies, you could become fluent in English in as little as 6 months? Crazy, right? How long have you been trying to learn English? Let me know in the comments. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some super effective tips that will help you become fluent in English fast. If you've been struggling to pick up the language, stick around because what I'm sharing today could change everything for you. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, let's talk about the common hurdles many of us face when learning English. First up, there's the lack of practice. If you're not speaking, listening, reading, or writing in English regularly, it's tough to improve. Next, motivation can be a huge roadblock. It's easy to feel discouraged when progress seems slow or when you hit a plateau. And let's not forget about resources. With so many apps, videos, and books out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out what actually works. You might find yourself jumping from one resource to another without seeing any real results. Sound familiar? If you've experienced any of these challenges, you're not alone. Exploration/development. Now, let's explore some actionable tips to tackle these challenges and improve your fluency. First off, immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Surround yourself with English speakers, watch movies or listen to music in English, and try to think in English. It might feel a bit weird at first, but trust me, it helps. Next, language apps can be your best friend. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or even language exchange platforms can help you practice consistently. Engage with media too. Choose TV shows or podcasts that you love. They'll not only improve your listening skills but also teach you slang and cultural references. Lastly, don't forget to practice speaking. Find a language partner or join a conversation group. Speaking is where the magic happens. Climax/key moment. And here's the golden nugget of wisdom: consistency is key. Make it a point to practice a little every day. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused learning can lead to significant improvements over time. Set specific goals for yourself, like learning 5 new words a day, or practicing speaking for 10 minutes daily. This will steer you away from that frustrating cycle of feeling stuck and will fast-track your journey to fluency. Imagine how much easier conversations will become when you're consistently practicing. Conclusion/summary. To wrap it all up, remember these key tips: immerse yourself in the language, use language apps, engage with media, and most importantly, practice consistently. Achieving fluency in English is totally possible if you stick with it and make it a part of your daily routine. Call to action, CTA. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite tips for learning English? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome language learning content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.